What's up, everybody? This is Jason from Advanblack. Today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber license plate on a Lowrider S. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So guys, when you buy this kit, you're going to get some hardware, you're going to get the back plate, you're going to get your choice of color for the back hue, and then you're also going to get your carbon fiber plate on the outside. It also comes with this rubber grommet that goes in the back here. The tools that you're going to be using is a 10mm wrench, a 5/32 hex key, and a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. So we're going to start with the plate here. You're going to take your screws and your washers, put them through, and I find it easier to do this all at the same time before mounting it. Okay, and then you're going to take your little rubber grommet here, and you're going to line it up with the back. Make sure everything's good. A little tricky, just got to kind of play the balance game, but go ahead and line up your holes, stick them through. And I just get the nut started. I don't tighten anything down all the way until everything's aligned. Alright. Alright. I'm going to tie them down with our 5/32 hex and our 10mm in the back. Now when you're putting your plate piece together, I also again find it easier just to get everything stacked up before you put it on there. You want to get all the holes aligned. Just the top two for right now, and then we can work on the bottom two. Just get them aligned. And like I said, this is going to be your Phillips screwdriver. So you're going to line them up with the plate, the back plate. And make sure, guys, that the Advanblack on the hue color is actually facing out. You don't have it upside down, or you don't have it facing backwards. Like I said, I hand tighten everything, or just get it in the start threaded, and then I go ahead and tighten everything up. All right, there you guys have it. Pretty simple install, pretty clean. All right.